Welcome to our channel. Setting up your Amazon Echo Pop is a quick process that gets your smart speaker ready for voice commands and music streaming. Let's get started. Step 1. Plug in your Echo Pop using the included power adapter. Wait for the light ring to turn orange, indicating setup mode. Step 2. Download the Amazon Alexa app from your smartphone's app store if you don't already have it installed. Step 3. Open the Alexa app and sign in with your Amazon account credentials. Step 4. Tap the device's icon at the bottom of the screen, then tap the plus sign to add a new device. Step 5. Select Amazon Echo from the device type list, then choose Echo Pop as your specific model. Step 6. Follow the on-screen instructions in the app to connect your Echo Pop to your Wi-Fi network. Step 7. Wait while your Echo Pop connects to Wi-Fi and completes the setup process. Alexa will confirm when setup is successful. Step 8. Try asking Alexa a question or playing music to test that your Echo Pop is working properly and connected to the internet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.